Here we will make a tap by adding a background image and making a 3D model of it. So here I have pressed numpad 1 and 5 to get the tap and plus to zoom in. Now let's add an object, that is mesh and circle. Let's grab it using keyboard G and scale it using the keyboard S. Now we need to change the mode from object to edit so that we can extrude the circle into a cylinder. Then by scaling and rotating, we will make the tap. This is what the final picture of the tap would look like. Now let us view it from all the axes. So this is how it would look from a camera, the left portion and the front side. So we can remove the image now. So the tap is ready. Now let us make it fix in the camera. So we need to scale it. So now we have rotated and scaled the tap. Now let's see in the camera view. It looks something like this, so it's perfect. Now let's put a object, that would be a mesh again and a UV sphere. Let's scale it. This should be fitted inside the tap so that it works as an inflow for the water. The next thing that we need to add would be a cube, which would act as an domain. Let's again scale it and transform it into whatever shape we need it. So this is the cube that we have arranged. Now let's see in the camera mode. So it's look proper. We have added here the modifier, that is solidifier, to the cube. Now we need to add a domain. So let's take a cube again, and the texture of this cube should be wired so that we can see the outside things of it. Now let's arrange it as it makes the border of the model. So this is how it would look after this domain is made. So now let's add the fluid properties to each of it. First to the sphere. So next to the base, that will act as an obstacle shell. Next to the outside sphere, it will be the domain. So here we can see the water falling through it only for the 4 steps. So stop the simulation and make it as the value you need. So this is how the water flow will look like. Let's see from the camera view. The next thing is that we need to add modifier to the liquid. The modifier will be subdivide surface and view value will change to 3. So now let's see. So this is how our output will look like. So now let's add colors to the water. First we will add. So let's put the color now first for the water. Then for the domain, that is base that we have used, and last for the tap we'll put the color. The stimulation is getting rendered, so let's wait. So after rendering, we would see this would be our output, something like this. Now we need to animate it, so go here and do animation. So after rendering is done, the final output of the animation that we get will look something like this. So this is our final output. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel and do comment on it. Thank you.